Hello to all my dear subscribers, and today, we will talk about a very cool car, Zeekr X. To get inside, we use either a key fob or a program on your smartphone. This is what the key fob looks like. Open the window and put your fingers here. There is a sensor. Here it is somewhere and automatically opens the door. If for $1,200, you choose auto doors as an option, you won't have handles in the front or the back. There's a little button at Get in, press the brake. The door closes automatically with this button. 2,000 kilograms of curb weight, 1 glass. It's all leatherette technology and Napa, very smooth. Nicer than regular leather here, plastic. Yamaha, 13 speakers. With this button we open the door on the inside. All the seats are leatherette with Napa technology. I repeat, it's nicer to the touch than regular leather, heated and ventilated. On the right, massage and heated ventilated. Six airbags, including the front airbags, which wrap around the passenger side to provide all-around protection for the head. Side curtain airbags extend to the A-pillar without leaving any gaps. The ZAD intelligent driving assistance system consists of 5 cameras, 5mm wave radars, and 12 ultrasonic radars, and is standard on the Zeekr X, providing 360-degree perception of road conditions to comprehensively enhance driving safety. Reinforced Anti-Collision Beams.Internal anti-collision beams use an 8-tube multi-layer structure, allowing the entire vehicle to withstand a lateral impact force of 65 tons while enhancing protection of the battery and passengers. The range mileage value under comprehensive working conditions is based on the 66 kWh battery pack, which is simulated and estimated according to the CLTC range test standard, and varies due to the environment and actual use. The data is based on engineering development simulation data, which may vary due to different test factors such as site, weather, road conditions, electricity, load, tire specifications, etc. For reference, only.AR-HUD Heads-Up Display System.A 24.3-inch panoramic augmented reality HUD, with a virtual image brightness of up to 12,000 nits, provides users with rich intelligent driving assistance that helps enhance driving convenience and safety.